Hi, this is another marketing tip. I'm Nick Ronald, this is Secret Influence TV. I'm talking today about working smarter. In business, we want to work smarter, not harder. There's only so much time in the day. 12 hours in a standard day, that's 720 minutes. We don't want to be spending all day, all night working away. We're getting stressed, overwhelmed, maybe burnout. We want to be using our time as efficiently and effectively as possible, and being as smart as we can everything we do, especially as the business grows, because as your business grows, there's more you need to do, there's more marketing you need to do, there's more admin you need to do, there's more to do on every level. So the need to work smart is more important than ever. So we need to work wisely so that we can get more done, we can prioritise, and we can, of course, have a work-life balance. There's no point in having a business and if you're making money if you're stressed by not enjoying life. So working smarter, it's all about prioritising, being really organised, delegating, collaborating at times, outsourcing and automating. All these elements form working smarter. So I'm going to talk about automating today, how to try and automate as much as you can. So you can work on the most important things. You can prioritize your time and not just be consumed by doing the important everyday content planning and marketing and posting that needs to be done, but you don't want to be spending all your time doing that. Your time will inevitably involve, as an entrepreneur, you'll involve sort of some admin needs to be done, but you only want to be spending sort of 5% of your time in that. The rest of the time, any more admin, it should be outsourced or given to another member of the team. You as a manager, leader, founder of your business, you don't want to be spending your time on admin. Most of your time, I would say 80% of your time, really should be on the sales and marketing. It should be on getting new leads, getting new clients and customers, growing your business, getting a profit, because that's what makes your business a success. That's what, if you don't make a profit, you're not in business for long. So most of your time should be on that. 80% of your business time should be on meeting contacts, doing presentations, marketing, sales. 5% on admin, and the other sort of amount of time should be on the meetings, the development side, and other parts, but are form running a business. One of the main things around marketing is giving updates. It's sharing important content, particularly on social media. We're expected in a business to be posting regularly, to post content, to grow our fan base, to engage with our audience, and you have to do it regularly. That's what's expected. People need to check in and see that and engage with it. So whether it's on Facebook or YouTube, whether it's written content or video, you need to be doing it regularly, high quality and regularly. And often it is a mix of content. You may do a blog, you may share some updates, you may do your video. It's good to have a mixture, but you have to do it regularly, and this can take a lot of time. Then you need to evaluate it, you need to review it. All these things form part of your marketing strategy. And as well as social media, we've got email marketing, text marketing, and so many other channels as well. So need to look at how can we automate this. So that rather than sort of having to do it every day or every other day, how can you do it, say, one time at the beginning of a month and get really organized? So there's so many social media channels that allow you to plan that, where you can spend perhaps one afternoon, 5 hours beginning of a month, and plan all your content, get it all uploaded and managed so that through your social media management it will go out automatically. Every day something will go out, and that way it's all done one go, and you can review it, update it as needed for a month, but that it's there, it's been done, and it's automated. That is a smart way of doing it. Email management software is another example. So rather than sort of respond to every email every time someone subscribes to your list, having to write an email, obviously you can use templates and tweak them and personalize them, but it takes time, you know, to check and respond to emails. So you want to automate that. An email management software can allow you to set up workflows and, you know, response processes where, you know, if someone signs up to your list, a message comes through to say, you know, welcome to your list. You know, someone buys a product, you know, thank you email goes through. You know, the newsletter goes out every month on the same day. You know, you want as many of these to be set up in advance and automated. So, you know, the welcome email, the thank you email, you know, they can be fairly standard and they can go out in response to someone triggering it. You know, like I say, a new contact, someone signs up to join your list, that's through a funnel, an automatic message goes through. And if they respond to that, another message. You know, you build up this system of workflow of emails that are drip fed automatically, and again that can be an automated process, you know, that it's just set up and it's updated and tweaked as you do it. So it's always better to spend one concentrated amount of time setting these things up, investing the time to do it, and then the processes run automatically, and checking, reviewing that the processes are working and the content is relevant will take a lot of time and less time in writing fresh constantly all the time. So one point to consider, you know, about when choosing what software, so much automation software out there. So I'm not going to recommend it myself. All I would say is it depends on two things. Your needs, what your needs for your business, and also, you know, what's your budget. Because the bigger the budget, you know, the more expensive software you can invest in, but you don't always need, particularly starting out, the expensive software. You know, you can start off with a lot of free solutions and then upgrade later if you needed. There's a lot of free trials for testing out different software. And there's always, you know, reviews in a way. Look at what get the good reviews, you know, particularly from similar businesses. But you need a system that perhaps grows, allows you, you know, will grow in what it offers, and it's, you know, tools and the tools and functionality will grow as your business grows. So you can start off with a few tools, quite basic, and as your business grows, you know, you can upgrade and use more. So do your research and find a platform that's right for you. One thing to consider is, you know, tool integration. So what tools does the platform allow you to integrate to? So, you know, if you've got some tools or platforms you're already using and they work well, can you integrate them with these other platforms? CRM, so we'll touch on this briefly. So, you know, client relationship management or customer relationship management systems, you know, databases where we store all information about our customers or clients. You know, who they are, what they brought, you know, what interaction you've had with them, what communications, you know, all the sort of useful information that we need to manage, you know, our relationship with them, you know, so we can keep them engaged, keep them updated, and obviously sell more products or services. CRMs are so important, particularly when the business grows. We've got, you know, thousands and thousands of subscribers, followers, customers, clients, you know, and all having different interactions. To manage that effectively, efficiently, you know, we need a good CRM. And a lot of CRMs offer, you know, various marketing tools. So social media management software or email marketing as part of the CRM. And that is one good way to manage your clients or contacts through marketing within one system. If not, what you can do, of course, is look for a great CRM solution that, like I said earlier, integrates with your marketing tools to offer a seamless automated process. So the more systems you use, obviously the more time it will be. So it's very unlikely you're ever going to manage to use one system, you know, for all your marketing, all your business needs. But the less the better. You know, if you can focus on a few, that'd be more efficient use of your time. So remember, automation is something that should make your job easier, not harder. You should spend less time doing the same repetitious tasks. If a task is repetitious, if it's something that's repeated, it should be automated. And lastly, with the development of faster processing, more sophisticated artificial intelligence, and better, more powerful data systems, automation solutions are going to offer more and more, for better and smarter working. So it's something you need to do if you're in business. I hope that's helpful. If you like this video, do subscribe. I share more tips for improving your marketing and your influence and persuasion skills in your business and your life.